What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. Today, we're going to talk about Arbitrum because there's been a lot of talk about Arbitrum lately. A lot of people have been talking about the airdrop and the craziness going on with Arbitrum. So, we're going to talk about that today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, definitely come over here and check out cryptomillionaires.shop for the best crypto millionaires merch. We have a bunch of different types of merch on here. So definitely come out here and check this out. And also on top of this, the shirt that I'm wearing right now is the Crypto Millionaire Established in 2023 shirt. So as you can see here, this is the shirt that I got on now. And yeah, this one's pretty cool. So definitely check this out. And yeah, check that out. Link is below in the description. So yeah, also let's just get started now with ARB. So let's talk about Arbitrum because we got a lot of good stuff going on with Arbitrum right now. And as you can see, we kind of just now hit a little support area. Now it's almost a little bit too early to just do technical analysis because we just now launched, so it's kind of hard to do a technical analysis on a coin like that because as you can see, these are the KuCoin charts, and this is all the info we have, and this is just the 15M chart. So yeah, I could put it on the 1M chart, but we don't have much info on it right now. But looking at what we do have here for Arbitrum, it looks like we are holding strong here on the support. We did break down there very briefly. We went down to $1.17 here on Arbitrum. So that's what happened there. We went there very briefly, but now we're really stopping at the $1.28 resistance area. So that's the resistance area we're pretty much at now with Arbitrum. So yeah, that's pretty interesting. And the next bullish, if it's going to be bullish, the next bullish area would then be all the way up here at this resistance at $1.30, and then eventually making its way to like $1.35 all the way up here. But what you really want to look at is the oscillator. So you can see here on the oscillator, it shows that we're coming off of an overbought here on Arbitrum. This whole area is overbought. Also notice here on the wave how it's curving downward, and it shows that this is a bearish signal because the buying is pretty much slowing down. So it's pretty much showing that we're about to get another selling wave that could possibly bring us back down to $1.25, or it could bring us back down to that previous area that we've seen back here, below the support area, all the way down here at $1.17. So that's pretty much what we got to watch there for Arbitrum. Now, like I said, we don't have that much info here for Arbitrum when it comes to the technicals because it just now launched. So you can really only look at the 1 minute chart, which isn't that effective for doing long-term trades. And you can see over here, this is the 5 minute chart. So either way, it does show there is high activity for Arbitrum, which is definitely not lying. Very high activity down here, very high activity up here. So we're just waiting for that next move here for Arbitrum to see exactly where it could go. But yeah, it has been just straight down since it's launched. But that's only because it launched at like nothing and then it immediately pumped all the way to the moon because people had so much money locked in there. And then all the airdrops that got sent out. And then, it just started to sell off pretty much after that. So from here, we're going to talk about more than the technicals. So first of all, you can see over here, Arbitrum has $1.28 as the price right now. So that's pretty good as well. It's down 6.4% in the last 24 hours. So, it is down a little bit. But what you are seeing over here, Arbitrum has so much volume, $2.1 billion in volume, and the market cap is only $1.6 billion. But do note that the fully diluted is at 12.7 billion. So definitely keep that in mind. But if we're just looking at the market cap, not fully diluted, we're at 1.6 billion. So Arbitrum has done a lot. It's garnered a lot of attention since it's launched, and it's definitely a lot cheaper than it was at its peak. It went all the way up to $8.67, but now you can see it's a lot cheaper now. So just imagine getting in it now and it going up to where it was before at 867. Like that would be a nice increase from where we are now. But going over some of the new stuff that kind of happened here with Arbitrum. So you can see over here, they just been doing partnerships left and right. So they have some partnership with this thing, whatever it is called Blowfish. But pretty much they protect Web3 users against theft and fraud on Solana, Ethereum, and Polygon. And on there, you can scan and simulate transaction messages and domains in real time to keep users safe. That's pretty much how they do it. But yeah, this is Blowfish. They're doing a little collab with them. So yeah, now they're protected by Blowfish. And then over here, you can also see Cryptex. I almost said CryptoFinex. They're not Cryptex Finance is now introducing them on there as well. So for long or the short term, or for the long or short, the entire crypto market cap with up to 20x leverage. So it's like a leverage trading platform. And now it's exclusively on Arbitrum. So yeah, there's a lot of things that Arbitrum is about to be doing. Arbitrum, I think, is about to become a force to be reckoned with. So it's definitely already up there. So yeah, it's doing really really good. But now over here we have just other stuff, a lot of different partnerships here with Arbitrum, a lot of different collabs here. So you're going to see a lot more projects launching with Arbitrum and just doing different stuff with them. Arkham over here also with Arbitrum as well. So now anyone can use Arkham to examine blockchain data and transactions in the Arbitrum ecosystem. So that's pretty cool as well. They got the Arkham one there. And yeah, there's just a lot of good stuff going on here with Arbitrum. I probably couldn't go through all of them if I wanted to. Python network, you can see here smarter data for smarter contracts. So they have the ARB USD pair price feed on there if you want to look at that. Yeah, they got a lot of stuff here. But yeah, there's a lot more stuff. I'll probably end up going on it over it on a different thing. But over here is another thing with Voyager. So it says we understand there has been difficulty connecting to the foundation site and claiming tokens. These issues are now resolved and claiming is well underway. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and do it. But yeah, I think all the airdrops pretty much done now. But yeah, there's just so much crazy stuff going on with Arbitrum. I did not get a chance to get in on the airdrops. It sucks. But it's whatever. It's whatever. They'll probably do some more in the future. But you can see over here, Arbitrum airdrop sees 1,500 addresses. That is a lot. 1,500 addresses consolidate $3.3 million into two wallets. So I don't know what's going on with this. Someone says there's rumors. Like people are saying all types of crazy stuff. But yeah, that's crazy. One wallet received $2 million in ARB, while another collected $1.38 million of ARB for the airdrops. So how did these two wallets get so much for the airdrops? So that's what they're trying to figure out here. But it says as the hype surrounded Arbitrum airdrops, on-chain activity shows that airdrop hunters consolidated tokens worth around 3.3 billion collectively from 1,496 wallets into two. So airdrop hunters, it went from 1,400 wallets to two. That's crazy. And it says, according to the blockchain analysis, one wallet received 1.4 million ARB from 866 addresses. This is ridiculous. Like that's a lot. Now, here is the proof. If you want to look at it, they have the proof for the transactions here. So yeah, this is just crazy how that happens like that. But I don't know how it happened. I don't know how it happened at all, but they have the proof to show what is there. So they have the proof here. So that's definitely fairly interesting. But moving on from that, let's keep going over the article though. So they had some more stuff in here that they wanted to mention in the article. Some theorized that this might be the work of team members of the project, while others think it may be a hacker. Meanwhile, another community member believes this may lead to a significant drop in transaction volumes. So this person, Jack, says this basically means that the transaction volume will drop significantly since these are basically all fake traffic. Will be interesting to see where it's at 1 through 2 months after the airdrop. So yeah, they're saying that's all fake traffic. So this person's kind of claiming that a lot of the airdrops were fake. It went to two wallets. So they're saying, look, this is all fake traffic, fake airdrops. I know some people actually did receive airdrops, but they're saying that a large portion of them could have been fake. That's what this person's saying. And they're saying that the transaction amount will probably end up dropping in the last 24 hours. So that's pretty crazy. It's a pretty crazy assumption there, but you can see here 2 billion right now. So hey, if we track this and within the next week or two we see this is like 100 million or less, then we know that yeah, there's probably some fraudulent things going on. But right now, it's just assumptions that people are making on Twitter. Right now, they're just assumptions. There's nothing 100% right now. So it's pretty interesting to see. I'll keep you all updated on this to see exactly what was going on. But yeah, a lot of good things has been going on for Arbitrum. Obviously, there would be FUD surrounding it, fear, uncertainty, and doubt because how good it's been doing. So obviously, you're going to see some FUD out inside of the rear views. But it's still good to pay attention to the FUD because it might just try to it might just become actually a bad thing. It might scare people away from the project and it might actually be true. So we got to watch out for the FUD stuff, but I'll keep you all updated to see what actually is going on. Now, over here, Arbitrum users claim 42 million ARB tokens in the first 48 hours. So yeah, this is literally all over the place. People are talking about this all over the place. So I know there's actually people that did actually get airdrops, but they're saying that there is two very large airdrop wallets that ended up getting almost all the money. So a lot of people did get some money here. So this is what this article explains. So it says more than 42 million tokens were claimed in the first hour. And then it says over here, some 23,000 individual wallets claimed the airdrop, representing 3% of all eligible wallets. So ARB. So yeah, about 3% of all the eligible wallets, which was only 23,000 wallets that actually received it. So yeah, a lot of people were actually applied for it, but a lot of people weren't eligible. And it says ARB has a total supply of 10 billion tokens. According to technical documents, it traded at just over $1.30, blah, 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 and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is pretty interesting to see. Some people actually did get some good tokens out of it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you all updated on this for those two wallets though, because that's definitely pretty interesting. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Definitely go ahead and check out cryptomillionaires.shop if you want these Crypto Millionaire shirt. We have a lot of these on here. And we also have a lot of other products. So check it out. It's really good. It fits really well as well. And there's a lot of different Crypto Millionaires gear here on the website. So definitely check out cryptomillionaires.shop. And as always, I'll be back with another video.